welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a pair of LED strips. These are a only white solution. As you can see, these are the LED 6000 Kelvin cool white LED strips. These are good for under the counter if you only want it to be like white, like a real white, not a fake white. These will give you that nice, clean, bright white. So I have the 32-foot strip here. As you can see, this is the model ZH116. It says the remote distance has a max of 20 meters, which is actually pretty cool. On the right side of the box, it has everything included. So you have 2 spools, a RF remote, you have the power adapter, as well as a transfer cable, a remote control, alcohol prep pad, power supply, as well as 3M adhesive, and some brackets. All right, let's get into it. First off, we have power supply. This one is 12 volts, 2 amps. We also have a little satisfactory card. Right here we have the control panel as well as the remote. Into that in a second. Right here we have a splitter. We have the 2 strips. And then we have the user manual, the alcohol prep pad, and 10 brackets. Alright, so let's get into this bag real quick. Alright. Remote. Oh. This is a sub-brand of Basin Lighting. Okay. Really good packaging though. So you have a button right here. Wow, pretty tactical. But wow, this is really nice because it already has 3M adhesive, so you can mount it because this is heavy and you don't want it to weigh down your strips. So that's really cool, convenient as well. And then you have 2 ends. One is for power and one is for the splitter. So the RF remote, it's pretty small. You have on-off brightness adjustment. You have 100, 75, 50, and 25% brightness. You have a little flash / siren mode, which will just blink. You have a heartbeat, which is a breathe, and then you have a nighttime mode. You have a clear button. You have 3-second, 5-second, 15-second, 30-second, and 60-second timer. Alright, so these have like a gel coating on them. That's nice. They do have 3M adhesive, I can see. But these are really cool because there's no arrow to arrow anymore. They basically distinguished that. These are the beads. They're about probably an inch apart, each bead. And there's about like, I don't know. So these are the 3M adhesive. It's a sponge adhesive, which means it'll grow over time and get stronger. So as you can see, Basin Lighting. The setup process is really easy. So get the control panel, plug this part in right here to the splitter, and then plug the other end of the control panel into the power supply, and then the splitter end obviously goes into the strips also. And I'll go ahead and show you how bright these get. Alright, so now it's on the lowest setting, I believe. Let's go ahead and take out the peel tab. Let's turn this off. Really convenient. You don't really have to point at the strips since it's an RF controller, which is really cool. Alright, so this is 25%. This is 50%. Oh my gosh, that's so bright. And this is 75%. Wow, dude. And 100%. So these are really bright. Like, super bright. Look at that. Yeah, these are really bright. Anyways, you have a siren mode. Ow. So yeah, that will do that. And then you have a breathing, which is the heart one. Obviously, it's a breathing effect. You have a nighttime one, which is just gonna go really dim. Oh, okay, wait. Sorry, I've been saying 3 seconds, but it's actually 3 minutes all the way up to an hour. So it's just a timer from 3 minutes all the way to an hour, which is really cool. One as well. So it has a green button here. Click it to turn it on and off. That's super convenient. So you could put it like underneath like a cabinet or something. Quickly access it without using the remote. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. So you can obviously use this anywhere you want. Alright, as much as I wanted to, I was going to mount these, but I don't want to waste them because I actually do want to use these. They're pretty good. So I'm just going to show you the brightness. As you see, it's a real white. It's not like a fake white where RGB or RGBIC have like all of them integrated. It's real white. As you can see. And it's like a nice solid white too. Like you can see it. It's just really nice. So like I said, an RF remote, so you can basically turn it off and on wherever you want. You don't even have to point it at the strips. Let's do it at 100%. Those are bright. Trust me, These are actually really bright, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off these lights. It's lighting up basically my whole room, and it's only one strip. This is 16.4 feet. Yeah, so it gets pretty dim as well. And yeah, pretty nice. Very, very bright lights. I definitely recommend them. And obviously they won't get hot, they won't do anything like that. The adhesive, I already felt it. It's really strong. And then obviously you have the 3M adhesive, the extra clips. So definitely recommend these. Once again, once I'm able to have more room, I will make another video mounting them. But right now I just have too many RGB strips. I have literally no place to put them. So I'm sorry, but we'll do that in another video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.